Across the world, a record number of people are forcefully displaced from their homes. Meanwhile, the home we rely on, our planet, faces unprecedented threats.
At UNHCR, we know that to provide international protection, we must also protect the environment refugees live in. Climate and ecological crises are already disrupting forcibly displaced and host communities in complex, interconnected ways. And, while environmental threats can drive displacement, we know that typical humanitarian responses to it also have negative environmental impacts.
UNHCR's Environment and Climate Action Innovation Fund is a nursery to test new ideas that will lessen our environmental impact and help us work in collaboration with nature. The fund nurtures projects that work closely with communities, as well as those that draw on indigenous and traditional knowledge to help forcefully displaced and stateless people build their own resilience and sustainably respond to environmental challenges.
These projects understand the complex links between human and environmental well-being and trial ideas with rich co-benefits for ecosystems and the people who live in them. In Lima, Peru, it's hard for displaced communities to access clean water, so a project team is piloting the use of fog nets to see whether harvesting atmospheric water could effectively address this scarcity.
In Uganda, refugees in Polorinya settlement face heightened malaria risk in the rainy season. A team is exploring using local resources as a natural mosquito repellent, an initiative that aims to both boost malaria prevention and restore the ecosystem through planting locally sustainable trees. Meanwhile, in the Kutupalong camp in Bangladesh, a UNHCR team is tackling the problem of e-waste. The system to collect, recycle, and repurpose all electronic devices will both clean up the camp environment and increase access opportunities.
UNHCR's Environment and Climate Action Innovation Fund creates the space, resources, and connections UNHCR teams need to test and refine solutions in collaboration with communities. It also cross-pollinates ideas and provides the conditions for the scale-up of successful projects, ensuring we can root productive ideas into our organizational practice.
With an ecosystem of innovative projects advancing inclusive, effective responses to complex climate and environmental challenges, UNHCR can better anticipate these challenges, green our interventions, and work with affected communities to build resilience.
Together, we're planting the seeds to ensure UNHCR's work protects people and planet.